Hi everyone, it's Muriel. Hope everyone is doing good on this Saturday morning. I am up early and I am in the craft room working on some Christmas tags. I thought I would stop and create one along with you. So this is Christmas tag number 7. And this is inspired by a tag I saw over on Patty's channel. Patty is Monmynmecrafts, and she was doing a July tag. I think it's tag number 4, and she used the die from Scrap Diva 29, and she made the cutest tag. And I saw it. I immediately pulled out the die set and thought I would create some myself. So I am using some puffy stickers, dimensional stickers from Hobby Lobby. They were $1.24. I am also using some puppy phrases, things like this, trying to use all of these up as I can. The die, Scrap Diva 29, is the gift box die. It comes with this set and then 2 tags, right? And then you get a sheet of phrases, words, which is perfect. So let's get started making one of these tags, and I'll just leave it there so you can check it out. So the first thing I need to do is on the back side, which I did a solid white, is to stamp a to and from, because when I do it, once the element gets on top of it, it's hard to get a crisp to and from. This is another stamp that comes in that set. So we'll go ahead and get that on there. Okay. And now we're going to turn her around. Now I am putting a little string on here, and I'm working with this pack that I've bought. You guys, I'm telling you, 10 years ago that I picked this up from Stampin' Up. That long ago. So let's go ahead and cut this. And then I have my little hole puncher. I'm going to put a hole in the top part of that bow. And then I'm going to thread this through. Yes, I watch Mommy and Me, Patty's channel, every morning at around 5 o'clock. I get up after I stretch, after I, do my meditation. Then I turn TV on, and first I look on my phone to see if there's a new video, and sure enough, there was a new video, and she showed this cute little tag, and I thought, oh God, I have to make that, but I have to use what I have in my stash. Okay, let's kind of cut that down some. So that's what we did. We just put the string on here. And then I have these gold leaves that I've cut out oodles ago. Let me get this out the way. I keep them in here. I was looking at these the other day and I thought, oh, what is in here? And I go, oh, it's just gold. Good gracious. Gold leaves and snowflakes, bows, and words. So let's go ahead and put those to use. So I cut these out with a leaf punch, and I had it out recently, but I think I've put it away, but I will show you in the end what it looks like. Martha Stewart has a smaller version. So what I'm going to do is put some glue, because I know exactly where these are going to go. So I'm going to put some glue straight down here like that. And I'm going to lay one of the leaves this way. And then I'm going to put some glue on top of this one. And then cross the other one over. I just want them peeking out the top, just like that. So while that is setting up, let's help it along, smash it down. My sister said she gets tickled when she sees me do that. So then I'm going to, I've used all of the smaller snowmen. There's about 14 that come in here. Well, then you have these little elements here, these little snowflakes. But I was using the small of the, so this looks like a short one, so to speak. So we'll use this guy here. Let me see. First, let me get a sentiment. Sorry, I'm like all over the place. So I'm going to use this, what color is that? Red. So I'm going to use this Christmas tree here. Let's just peel this off. Let's pull this back like this. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to get some glue on here. And I've learned from my other ones to keep it closer to the right side so that, you know, all of the words can be seen, so to speak. Okay, then we're going to let that set up. I made some flowers. Let me show you the flowers. I used the flower die from Scrap Diva 29, but what I did was I used seed beads to make my centers, and I'll show you how that's done. So here's one of the flowers, right? And I have the tool where I form it so that it's kind of curved like this, but for just show and tell, where's my little case at? Here we go. Okay, I usually put it in a little bowl, and then I put some glue down the center, a nice little glob of it. And then these are the seed beads I'm using from Recollection. You know, this set is about 14 different colors of seed beads. And then I'm going to open up the sprinkly side. And I'm just going to sprinkle them like that. And what will stay, and what falls off, falls off. So let's just leave this to the side until it sets up. And go back to our tag. Okay, so I said I was going to use this little snowman here. Okay, so because this is elevated on that side here, I'm just going to keep the sticky part on the bottom and not put one up top there. Although I just may do something like that. Okay, then we're going to pop it up like this. Seed beads just rolling around. Okay, so here are my two green poinsettias that I did. And I'm just going to kind of raise the top one up a little. And my hot glue is off to the side, so let's get up and hot glue her really quick. I don't have it set up close to me because I have so many outlets, and this one is being used up with the laptop and the camera, not the camera, but the light fixture. So we're just going to pop that like that, and then we're going to get the other one. We have been up this morning. We have been at Trader Joe's, and we went to Home Depot. I had to pick up a range hood for my stove because it did something weird. It's starting to peel, which I don't understand why. Okay, so then what I've been doing is using some white Nuvo drops to kind of put over the tag, just like a dot of it there, and maybe a dot here, and a dot there, so it looks like snow. I'll put one here, one there, one here. There you go, and that is my little cute little snowflake snowman tag. Let's see, let's get this behind here so it doesn't rip it up. Okay. So, and here's one that I made prior. using the Noel sticker, dimensional sticker. So I am enjoying making these. I cut out a whole lot that I'm going to make. I even did some with some different cardstock. Here's white with craft cardstock in the background. And then I use some snow and cocoa, not snow and cocoa, but some, yeah, snow and cocoa paper. So then I cut out the poinsettia in that pattern. So now when you come back to your flower, your poinsettia, let's get some tweezers here. You would just lift it up. Of course, you would have two poinsettias together. I just had one laying here, so I just used the one. And then you just tap it, and what falls, falls, and then what doesn't, it's stuck on there, and you just let it sit to the side and dry. And then I'll put that over here. And hopefully you guys have one of these in your stash, because when you're dealing with seed beads, holy crap. This is a little funnel. I'm not sure where I got it from. Maybe, I want to say Dollar Tree, but I'm not going to swear by that. So I'm just going to sit that in here and then pour my seed beads right back in. It's simple and easy as that. So I am going to continue making these. We like I said, we ran our errands this morning. So we are back in the house. The sun is just starting to come out, and I'm going to finish making these adorable snowman Christmas tags. Tag number 7. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye now.